Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn some basic commands like copying a file, moving file from one directory to another directory, and renaming a file and removing, deleting file. First we'll run in previous video and I showed you some how to create a directory using mkdir. I'll create directory. We can create number of directories using mkdir command by passing directory names. Yeah, we created D1 is directory, D2 also directory, D3 also directory, D4 also in a directory. Here we want to enter into that D1 directory means change directory and D1 will come. Yeah, we can see here now we are in D1 directory. Here I'll create some files like F1, F2, F3, F1. First I'll create F1. I'll add some content into that F1 directory. Okay. I'll save this and exit. Now we have content in F1 file. If you want to copy this F1 command in the same directory means we use copy and file name, that is F1, and new file name, that is F2. The F1 command which the same content will copied into F2. Yeah, we can see here F2 will also have the same content. Okay, right now we have two files, F1 and F2. Now if you want to come from D1 directory to demo directory means one previous directory, use cd paste dot dot. So we will come. Yeah, you can see here previous we are in D1 directory, right now we are in demo directory. Yeah, we'll check. Yeah, we here one the D1 directory has file 1 and file 2. If you want to copy that file 1 from D1 directory to D2 directory means we have to mention full path of this. We can by checking pw command our path. Yeah, this is our path, file path. Now using copy command, that F1 file, this F1 file in present in D1 and demo directory. So we have to mention full path like home / ubuntu / demo / D1 / that file 1, this file name. This is the full path of this file which is present in D1 directory, and we are now copying space to D2 directory. That's also in /home /ubuntu /demo /d2. Yeah, this is full path of this D2 directory. Now this F1 file is copied into D2 directory. We can check by entering into D2 directory and ls. See, now this file is copied. If you want to remove this file means we have command rm remove F1, and that is F1 is file name, and enter. We can check by ls command that F1 is removed. Once again I will come into D1 directory. First I will clear my screen. We are in D1 directory. We have file 1, file 2. If you want to rename this F1 file means we have command move from F1 file 2 and the new one. This move command, mv command will cut this file name and make this F1 file name into the new one. You can see here this F1 file change this name into new one. Just like in Windows, cut and paste, here we'll use mv command. Okay, the next command cd we can check which folder in which directory means we can also check like this. In D1 directory have two files, that is F1 and F2. In D2 directory there is no files, and D3 directory also there is no files, and D4 directory also there is no files. If you want to move this F2 file into D3 directory with a new name, we use that. Here we'll use move command and path of this file. This path means it is in D1 directory. The D1 directory is present in demo. The demo directory is present in home. So that we'll use home slash ubuntu slash demo slash D1. This is and then file name, that is F2. This F2 file path is the whole thing. And if you want to move this means we'll give a space, and if you want to move this into D3 directory means we have to give whole path like home slash ubuntu slash demo slash D3 slash here. F2 can be converted into new name. We'll give new name, it is equal to new 2. So it's moved, and it's moved from D1 directory to D3 directory, and it also changed this file name. So why we can check by entering into D3 directory, and we can check that the D3 directory will have name 2 file. This file is moved means the F2 file will not be present in D1 directory. We can check and we can enter into D1 directory NLS. You can see here F2 file is moved, only new one file is present here. Okay. In demo directory, if you want to remove this directory means there is command remove command is only remove command used for both deleting files and deleting directory also. But if you want to delete directory means we have to give remove -rf and then file name, directory name. Here we can see the directory is removed here. Within move command we can move directory from one directory to another directory also using move slash home slash ubuntu slash demo slash d2 slash home slash ubuntu slash demo slash d3. We can verify by entering into D3 directory. You can see here D2 directory is moved into the previously D2 directory is present in demo directory, but now it moved to D3 directory. Using move command we can move directory also. With this move command we can rename directory also. Here D2 is the directory name. If you want to change the directory name, we use mv command and path of this directory. We are in D3 directory only, means we can use this direct D2 name, file name or directory name and the new name of the directory. I'll give D1 and enter. It's renamed into D1. You can check here. And we can remove directory by its name also, first letter of this directory, like remove -rf. For remove directory we'll use -rf and d and any first name, and after that we'll use star, means after d it may be anything, it will remove that directories. We can check by ls. D1 directory is deleted. We used first letter of that directory name followed by star. We can also delete this file by showing that number 2, the last letter of that file name. like remove, it's a file means only remove will work here, and star 2, enter, that file will be removed. This is an empty directory now, that file 2 also remove. If you enter only cd, enter means will come into home directory. We can check, yeah, you can see here, I'll come into the demo directory, and we have this directory 1 directory. If you want to delete everything like ls-r, if it done means we have d1 d2 directory, in that d1 have file, d3 don't have file. If you want to delete d1 and file name along with that file means we have command remove -rf and space star. It will, star means everything, it will remove everything from the this demo directory. You can enter means you can check everything will be